Today I'm going to share some important facts about the water cycle. The Earth has a limited amount of water. The process in which the water goes around is called the water cycle. The water cycle can be broken into 4 easy steps: precipitation, collection, evaporation, and condensation. Let's start with precipitation. Precipitation happens when water condenses and the air cannot hold it any longer. Clouds will begin to form overhead, and they will become too heavy. The condensed water falls in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. The next step in the cycle is collection. Collection is just what it sounds like. This is when the rain is absorbed by the land and collected in streams, lakes, rivers, and oceans. The next step in the water cycle is evaporation. Evaporation happens when the sun heats up the water collected in the rivers, lakes, and oceans. As we know, when water heats up, it will turn into a vapor, or steam. The steam rises into the air. The fourth step of the water cycle is condensation. Condensation happens when the water vapor comes in contact with the cooler air. The evaporated water changes back into its liquid form. When this occurs, we see clouds form overhead again. Once the clouds become heavy and cannot hold the water any longer, we are back to step 1. Precipitation falls again to Earth, creating the water cycle. The water cycle begins again, providing all living things, including humans, animals, and plants, with the water needed for survival.